Hi friends, in this video let us solve Fourier series related question asked in GATE 2009 AC paper. The question is Fourier series of a real periodic function has only cosine terms or sine terms, cosine terms, sine terms we are talking about. So for real periodic terms, if x of t, periodic signal x of t is even, the Fourier series contains cosine term and dc. If x of t is odd, then it has only sine terms. So this is the concept. Let us see what is that. Cosine terms if it is even true. Sine terms it is even false. Cosine terms if it is odd, yes, true. Sine terms if it is odd, sorry. That one is cosine terms if it is odd, sine terms if it is even odd. So P and S are true. So option A is the right answer. Thank you.